Today, we are excited to demonstrate the proof of concept regarding zero downtime deployment with Blue-Green in ForgeRock as a service. The Blue-Green deployment is a software release strategy used in the context of continuous delivery and deployment used to achieve zero downtime during software updates or releases. The approach involves maintaining two identical environments, referred to as blue and green. In this demonstration, we utilize the scaffold tool, which empowers continuous integration and continuous deployment workflows for applications based on Kubernetes. At the beginning of the deployment process, the live production traffic is directed to the blue environment, which is currently serving the application. Meanwhile, the green environment remains idle and isolated from the production environment. Once the green environment is fully prepared and tested with the new updates or changes, the traffic is switched from the blue to the green environment. This transition is done seamlessly, ensuring uninterrupted service for end users. Now, the previously active blue environment becomes idle and isolated for the next deployment. The key advantage of the blue-green deployment approach is that it minimizes the risk of downtime and potential disruptions. If any issues arise during the deployment in the green environment, the system can quickly revert to the blue environment, which is still running smoothly. By utilizing this strategy, organizations can confidently release new updates, features, or fixes to their applications without causing any interruptions to the user experience, hence ensuring a seamless and efficient deployment process. Unlock your business potential with cutting-edge solutions. Together, we'll achieve your goals, boost your employees' technical skills, and pave the way for unprecedented technical growth within your organization. Take the first step towards success and hire me today.